India is a land of incredible diversity, a place where ancient traditions and modern innovations coexist in a vibrant mosaic. From the snowy peaks of the majestic Himalayas to the sun-kissed tropical coasts, the country's geography is as varied as its culture. It boasts a rich tapestry of cultures, languages, and traditions, with each region offering its own unique flavor and charm. This vast nation is home to over 1 billion people, each with their own unique story, contributing to the country's dynamic and ever-evolving narrative. India is also a country of rapid economic growth, emerging as a global power in recent decades, with bustling cities and cutting-edge technology hubs. Since gaining independence in 1947, India's journey has been marked by both remarkable progress and significant challenges. The country has made significant strides in various sectors, including technology, healthcare, and education, becoming a hub for innovation and learning. However, it continues to grapple with issues such as poverty, inequality, and environmental degradation, which pose ongoing challenges to its development. Despite these challenges, India's spirit remains undeterred, with its people showing remarkable resilience and optimism. The resilience of its people, coupled with their entrepreneurial spirit, continues to drive the nation forward, fostering growth and innovation at every turn. India's story is one of contrasts, a complex blend of ancient traditions and modern aspirations, of challenges overcome and opportunities yet to be seized, painting a picture of a nation that is as diverse as it is united. While India has made remarkable progress in reducing extreme poverty, the journey is far from over. Millions still struggle to make ends meet, facing daily challenges that many and more developed nations might find hard to imagine. The gap between the rich and poor remains a significant concern, with wealth disparity becoming more pronounced in urban areas. In bustling cities, gleaming skyscrapers stand in stark contrast to sprawling slums, highlighting the disparity in living conditions. This stark contrast is a daily reminder of the inequalities that persist. Access to basic necessities like clean water, sanitation, and healthcare remains a challenge for many, particularly in rural areas. These essential services are often taken for granted in urban centers, but are a daily struggle for those in the countryside. The lack of adequate infrastructure and limited access to education and employment opportunities perpetuates the cycle of poverty. Without proper roads, schools, and job prospects, many rural communities find it difficult to break free from the grip of poverty. However, the government has implemented various poverty alleviation programs, including rural employment schemes and subsidized food distribution. These initiatives aim to provide immediate relief and long-term solutions to those in need. These initiatives, along with the rise of microfinance and social entrepreneurship, are making a difference in the lives of millions. By empowering individuals and communities, these programs offer hope and a path towards a more equitable future. India's cities are magnets for opportunity, attracting millions seeking a better life. This rapid urbanization, however, has also led to unprecedented challenges. Cities are bursting at the seams, struggling to cope with the influx of people. Housing shortages, inadequate transportation, and overburdened infrastructure are common problems. Pollution levels in major cities are alarmingly high, posing serious health risks. The contrast between the aspirations of urban dwellers and the harsh realities of city life is stark. Despite the challenges, Indian cities are vibrant hubs of innovation and creativity. They drive the country's economic growth and offer a glimpse into its future. Addressing the challenges of urbanization is crucial for India to harness the full potential of its urban centers. Section 4. Health and Nutrition Strides and Setbacks. India has made significant progress in improving public health outcomes. Life expectancy has increased, and infant mortality rates have declined. However, malnutrition remains a persistent problem, particularly among children in rural areas. The lack of access to nutritious food, coupled with poor sanitation and hygiene practices, contributes to high rates of stunting and wasting among children. India also faces a double burden of disease, with infectious diseases like tuberculosis and malaria coexisting with non-communicable diseases like diabetes and heart disease. The government has launched several programs to combat malnutrition, improve sanitation, and raise awareness about health and hygiene. Expanding access to quality healthcare, particularly in rural areas, remains a priority. Section 5. Environmental Concerns, a Balancing Act. India's rapid economic growth has come at a cost to the environment. Air and water pollution, deforestation, and climate change pose significant threats. The country is home to some of the most polluted cities in the world. However, India is also taking steps to address environmental concerns. The government has committed to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting renewable energy sources. Efforts are underway to conserve forests, protect wildlife, and promote sustainable development practices. India's environmental challenges are complex and multifaceted. Balancing economic growth with environmental sustainability is crucial for the country's future. Section 6. Religious diversity, harmony and tensions. India is a land of diverse religions and faiths, each contributing to the country's rich cultural tapestry. While India prides itself on its secular fabric, religious tensions have flared up at times. The Constitution guarantees freedom of religion, however, incidents of religious intolerance and violence have been reported. Laws against religious conversion, often perceived as targeting minority communities, have also sparked debate. Promoting interfaith dialogue and fostering a culture of tolerance and respect for all religions is essential for maintaining social harmony. Section 7. Conclusion: India's journey, a story of hope and resilience. India's journey is a testament to its indomitable spirit. The country has faced countless adversities from colonial rule to economic hardships, yet it has always emerged stronger. Despite facing numerous challenges, the country has made remarkable progress on various fronts. From poverty reduction to technological advancements, India has shown the world what determination and unity can achieve. India continues to defy expectations. Its educational institutions are producing world-class talent, and its scientific community is making groundbreaking discoveries. However, the path ahead is not without obstacles. Addressing income inequality, improving public health, and ensuring access to quality education for all remain significant challenges. Protecting the environment is crucial for inclusive and sustainable development. Efforts to combat pollution and preserve natural resources are essential for the well-being of future generations. India's success depends on its ability to harness the potential of its vast human capital. The youth, with their innovative ideas and energy, are the driving force behind the nation's progress. Addressing the needs of all its citizens, from urban centers to rural villages, is vital for a cohesive and prosperous society. Despite the complexities and contradictions, India's story is ultimately one of hope and resilience. The country's vibrant democracy, its entrepreneurial spirit, and its rich cultural heritage are sources of immense pride. The unwavering determination of its people offers hope for a brighter future. As India continues to evolve, its journey will inspire generations to come, showcasing the power of resilience and the promise of a better tomorrow.